We all know quite a number of people who have everything that it would take to be happy, and they are not happy because they want something else or they want more of the same. And we all know people who have lots of misfortune and they are deeply happy. They radiate happiness. Why? Because they're grateful.
The work is necessary. Humanity needs to get together. Everybody knows it, especially in the independent media community. And this is our last chance. Our last chance is to unify with NITA. It's the best blueprint. It's really the only one we have. But it's also the most natural, as it is also to represent. We have a duty as a human species to listen to the calls of nature. And if we want to live in harmony and in alignment with it, you better start listening. I ask you to please listen to my words, listen to my writings. We have a duty to partake, a law to uphold, and that is the natural law. That is the natural medicine that deserves to be for all people. That is our human natural rights that we already have. Embrace the connection that we already have with one another. Simply show it to others, and we can unite around what is already present. It was here for us to unite. So are we going to use it? Are we going to use what was literally created by God for us to unite with one another? It only makes sense to me. I'm given sudden bursts of energy, sudden bursts of creativity, destiny, self-empowerment. If you want others to have the same, if you want people to have a good life, it's about promoting what is already right, the objective truth. It's about bringing that to all people, not staying in our echo chamber, not just watching videos, but actually doing something. NITA is the way to do it. It is the answer. Nature is the answer. I don't want to leave nature, this outside peacefulness, especially at night when all sleep. What more is more reflective of the world? There's so much evidence that you can only detail so much. But the fact that I have to leave this environment because I have a moral obligation to do work online and on technology. And clearly I just want to stay within this peaceful environment of mind. But to know that others are suffering is not for me to just stay in my peaceful place of ego. Of course there will always be people who suffer. I understand that. But we are in a state of the world that needs help and could be helped. It can greatly be helped, especially when one message is not being in circulation. When the actions that should be done and should be clear are not being done and is not being promoted anywhere. NITA and this messages movement as mission that I have on my channel is not like anything else I've ever done before. It's not seen on any other channel. It is one completely unique. It is one that humanity ultimately needs. Shall they recognize it or not? You can connect all the ancient traditions to it. You can connect anything to it. Most importantly, connect your heart to it. If you have an open heart, you have an open mind. The reason why I inspire you is because with passion, with creativity, with drive, with confidence, with determination, with non-abandonment, with not giving up, that's what's going to help us succeed. It's necessary, it's good, it's healthy, and it is really nature's work, God's work, if you will.